Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In today's session, we learn the configuration settings of the controlling area. So let's start. First, what is controlling area? A controlling area is an organizational unit in SAP where all cost accounting activities are performed. It is used to plan, record, and control internal cost of an organization. Second, why do we create a controlling area? So, we create a controlling area to track and control internal expense, manage cost centers, profit centers, and internal orders. Third, analyze cost for management decision making. Next, relationship between controlling area and company code. So, one controlling area can be assigned to one or multiple company code, but all assigned company codes must have the same chart of account and the same physical year variant. For example, suppose a company has company code 1000 for India and second company code 2000 for Dubai. If both company code have the same chart of account and physical year variant, they can be assigned to one common controlling area. For create or maintain controlling area, we must have used OKKP T code. So that's all for today's. In the next lecture, we will do hands-on part of controlling area in SAP. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.